Allô, Bobby?
Always felt I was outside. You're always the mysterious one with dark eyes and careless hair. Fashionably sensitive, but too cool to care.
Pas bouger par tout en
There's nothing to say besides some comment on the weather. Well, in case you fail to notice, in case you fail to see, this is my heart bleeding before you. This is me down on my knees. These foolish games are tearing me apart, and your thoughtless words don't break my heart, breaking my heart. You're always brilliant in the morning and smoking your cigarettes and talking over coffee. Your philosophies are not for